welcome to Game Time Sports Cards, the best channel for sports cards.
Yo, what's up everybody? Hey. So, I've got more Donruss football, and the first box was okay. I mean, I like this stuff, for sure. The first one I got a decent autograph, a decent jersey. The second box I got kicked in the gut. I got Panini pointed. So no autograph whatsoever. And here we are at box number 3. If I get points again, I'm going to be a level of ticked that will be monumental. And I don't get mad too easily. I'm a pretty calm person. and in saying that, what would it even matter how mad I got? Because Panini doesn't give a crap. They're like, whatever, you already bought your box. Screw you. Anyways, so let me just take a step back, rephrase that. I will be very disappointed, but I guess there's not much I can do about it other than to complain to them on social media, maybe if enough of us do it. Although I'm sure plenty of people have already been complaining and we're still getting points in place of autographs. I guess it should be expected when you put out so many products. Put them out faster than you can even collect autographs from the players. So then you just give everybody the shaft with those stupid ass points. So I'm hoping to get an actual autograph out of this box. But as far as the other cards go, I like them. I like the inserts. I like the parallels. Overall, I like the product. If it wasn't for those stupid points, I'd be giving this stuff an A. Alright. I'm not going to read all of the base cards this time. You've probably seen enough of this that it's not really necessary. But we will take a look at all the inserts and parallels, including this Legend Series. Eric Dickerson. It's one of the better looking insert cards. MVP Marcus Allen. Rated Rookie Denzel Ward. And rookie card of Daniel Carlson. I think he played for Auburn. Wasn't he their kicker, maybe? Alright. Here we have an Elite Series Fletcher Cox. Another good looking insert card. LeGarrette Blount, the champ, is here. Dallas Goedert and this guy. Like previous years, this does have vets, older vet players, which I like in a product. Alright, Elite Series Carson Wentz, very nice. Walter Payton Man of the Year, Joe Theismann insert. Ian Thomas rated rookie, and the base rookie is Durham Smythe. Okay, James Washington Elite Series. So I did get an autograph. Unfortunately, it's the same exact player I got in box 1. James Washington. He's not a bad prospect, so this is not a bad card in any way, shape, or form. It's numbered out of 99. Well, it looks really good. Matter of fact, I think it looks better than the first autograph. Alright, and then Darius Geis, the rookies. Snow Days, Marlon Mack. Love these. Love these. Then we have Josh Rosen and Micah Kaiser. So, yay. Got an autograph. Decent autograph, too. So, I'm not going to get kicked in the teeth this time around. Here's a good looking Fantasy Life Travis Kelce. J.J. Watt, I forgot what this is called. Something to do with the military. I can't remember. Jordan Lasley and Deron Payne. Oh, sweet. A Mason Rudolph press proof. Number 200. Man, that looks good. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Had a little disruption. Had some company. I was last on this Mason Rudolph press proof to 100, which is an awesome pull. And then we have, let's see, Team Heroes, Jason Witten, Cortland Sutton, Rookie Gridiron Kings, Inducted Jerry Kramer, same card I got in one of the last box, I think. A Baker Mayfield rated rookie, and DL Hall base rookie. Alright, next up we have Dominators, Matthew Stafford. Legends of the Fall, Jason Taylor. Already got one of these. Josh Allen and Tyler Conklin. Just getting a couple of duplicate inserts. I was really hoping for some different stuff this time around. So Josh Allen, the rookies. The 88 reprint Carson Wentz. Sam Darnold. I don't think I got him in box 1 or 2. And Jordan Akins. I had originally said I got all the best rated rookies in box 1, but now that I see that Darnold, I think I did not get one of him. Alright, who is this? Nyheim Hines, Rookie Elite Series. Walter Payton, Man of the Year, Jason Taylor, Mike White, and Jair Alexander, rookie. Here's an orange parallel of Myles Garrett. This is numbered to 95. It's jersey number parallel. Julio Jones, Gridiron Kings. Kalen Ballage or Ballage, I'm not sure which. And Tanner Lee. Ooh, a Bradley Chubb gold press proof die cut to 25. Now that is a sweet card. Wow, that's nice. Then we have a all-time Gridiron Kings LeVar Arrington, Darius Geis rated rookie, and Kimoko Toure. I have to check out, see if between 3 boxes if I can make the set. Zay Jones press proof to 50, gold. Probably not one of the better ones to get, although I'm not sure if he's made a comeback from that crazy episode he had or what. Deion Sanders, all-time Gridiron Kings. Nick Chubb. And Trenton Cannon. Alright, Christian McCaffrey Elite Series. Highlights. Who's this? McCaffrey again? Yeah. Calvin Ridley and Danny Etling. Here is a Jalen Ramsey Dominators. Legends of the Fall, Chris Carter. There's a new one that I didn't get before. Hayden Hurst. And Vita Vea. Alright, we have Fantasy Life, Royce Freeman. Work Done. Jalen Samuels and Taquan Lewis. Hit wise, we're still just looking for a mem card. I'm hoping for a couple of other parallels. In the first two boxes I got several red press proofs, and I have not pulled one out of this. So this is a double-sided, of course I about dropped it because that's what I do, jersey card to 99, changing stripes. On one side is Alshon Jeffrey, on the other is Alshon Jeffrey on the Bears. So I guess I should say Eagles, Bears, two different swatches, player worn. But that's pretty cool. I didn't even know a double-sided jersey was a possibility. So that's a cool hit. Elite Series, Royce Freeman. Jalen Mills, the champ, is here. Cortland Sutton. And Marcel Aitman. Got something shiny here. Let's see. There we go. A Troy Aikman Snow Days Hollow Parallel to 100. All-Time Gridiron Kings, Joe Theismann, Equiminius St. Brown, and Duke Dawson. Team Heroes, Adam Thielen. Ground Force, Jay Ajayi. Deshaun Hamilton, rated rookie. And Dylan Cantrell. I don't think I pulled a Deshaun Hamilton rated rookie in either of my boxes, so I am seeing a couple of new things here. Here's an Alvin Kamara Dominators. Ground Force, Derrick Henry. Yes, nice. Ito Smith and Christopher Herndon the 5th. I may start PCing Derrick Henry. Let's see how he does this year, or starts off this season. I think he's going to be pretty good, but you never know. Alabama doesn't, just because they're good in college doesn't mean they're going to be good in the NFL. Kalen Ballage, the rookies, 88 retro Russell Wilson, DJ Moore, and Darius Leonard. Yeah, for, well, I don't know who, let's see, Sean Alexander, he did good. TJ Yeldon, not so much. Trent Richardson, we all know what happened with that. Mark Ingram, not so great at first, then he kind of turned it on, and now he's kind of back to eh. Here's a Aqueous Test Sean Lee parallel. These are not numbered. Doug Baldwin Gridiron Kings. Bo Scarborough, another Alabama running back, and Fumagalli. Down to 2 more packs. Alright, Brandon Scherf, red press proof. This looks like might be the only one I get. I think I averaged like 3 or 4 in the other boxes and just 1 this time around. Von Miller Gridiron Kings, John Kelly, Leighton Vander Esch, Jabril Peppers, another red, back-to-back reds. So we ended up with 2 of these. Edgerrin James, all-time Gridiron Kings, Braxton Berrios, rated rookie, and Deshaun Hand. So, I think I'm gonna put these on eBay as just kind of a pick your own 10 card lot. So if anybody's looking to make a set, I might be able to put together a set. I'll have to check and see what the actual set size is. That's quite a few base cards there. And again, a really nice healthy stack of parallels and inserts. And again, these are the rated rookies, and then the 2 hits are this double-sided Alshon Jeffrey and the James Washington Elite autograph. So it's a very solid box. I'm really liking this stuff. I knew I would. Other than that stupid points, I really like Donruss. I like the football Donruss better than the baseball. But, I mean, what do you think? What do you guys think? Do you like the... I mean, they're so similar, it's kind of hard to say one over the other. But it just seems like the inserts in the football are just better in general. And really the parallels might be too, so, but that's just my opinion. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will get this posted up and I'll be back in my next video soon. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great weekend.